All right, in this video, we're gonna be comparing the 16-inch Ego electric chainsaw to my dad's 18-inch Poulan Pro gas-powered chainsaw. Let's get into it.
Mechanics for non-mechanics.
From the outset, it is not a true one-to-one comparison because one is 16 inches and one is 18 inches, but it will give you a good idea on how each performs against a pretty strong tree trunk. All right, so what do you think is gonna happen here? You think the gas power is gonna beat the electric or what?
I think so. The gas-powered equipment is a little bit more
You don't think electric
powerful.
has caught up to gas yet, huh?
Electric, I don't think, has caught up to gas yet. I expect it to win that match.
And I think that gas power is going down. Let's see. So this is he's starting up his gas powered full choke. So this is one of the benefits of having electric saw. Just turn it on, no problem. He's doing half choke over there. 6 times he's hitting the bubble. So that's 1 point for electric. Let's check out the
Jam my blade on it, but here's my I'm down here, dude, all the way around.
I mean, I'm down.
No.
Down a little bit.
You're like almost halfway.
Do another one? Yeah. Caught up and surpassed you. And I was having problems.
All right, so there it is. What do you think after experiencing that win?
I knew I was going to win. I was just trying to be humble in the beginning. I knew we were going to win. Me and my chainsaw, my powerful gas-powered chainsaw versus the battery.
What do you think of the 16-inch Ego?
I think they're
chainsaw?
great. I think they do a good job for smaller work. Or if you have more time during the day, you know, to finish your job that takes a little longer.
Wow. Rubbing it in.
Otherwise, I think it's a nice unit.
Yeah.
As a homeowner, it's a good unit to own if you're going to maintain your own personal trees.
Yeah.
And your neighbors sometimes.
Yeah. I did another video where I'm doing footage of that Ego electric cutting branches around the house and things like that. Click on that video right there. Again, I realized that it wasn't a fair comparison one-to-one because one is a longer blade, and that tree trunk there was about 18 inches, so you needed all of it to just be able to go straight through. So it's a good chainsaw if you just do homework, you know, stuff around the house, don't deal with 18-inch trunks, then it's good. It's not quite as powerful as the gas powered in my estimation, but it is much more convenient, comes right on right when you need it. And so if you're a homeowner looking for to just use it around the house, then it's good. Otherwise, if you're looking for more power, probably need to go with the gas powered. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.